Hello everybody, Kitty here, and today we're going to be reacting to Wolf in Sheep's Clothing Reverse Gravity Falls CMV by Dami Cosplay. Sorry if I said that wrong, but let's get started. Full screen? Okay, there we go. Oh, the glare. Sorry about the glare, everybody. It's probably because of the flashing lights. I really like this song and their cosplay. I kind of felt bad for Will in this one, because he throws up blood. That's not good. And I don't know how Bill's in this CMV, because he's supposed to be in Gravity Falls, not in Reverse Falls, because the reverse of Will is Will. The reverse Bill is Will. I'm lucky my mom hasn't been mad at that. I guess you shouldn't be that mean to Will. Okay, that was it for this cosplay video, but okay, bye.